This is Loki with Blue Collar Prepping, and I'm working on some outlets in my kitchen and decided to show you some of the diagnostic tools that I talked about a couple weeks ago to show you how to test outlets, make sure they're safe, make sure they're working properly. The first one we're going to talk about is a non-contact voltage detector, about the size of a pen or a flashlight. This particular model lights up green to show you that it's on, and lights red and makes a tone for the presence of voltage. Only really works in the hot slot, but that will tell you that an outlet has voltage. Doesn't tell you anything else, but it's the first line of safety we use in the field testing electrical circuits. The second tool, slightly more specialized, is the outlet tester. It has a series of lights here on the bottom and a diagram to tell you what those lights mean. Simply plug it into your outlet and it will tell you if the outlet is wired up correctly and powered properly. This outlet happens to be wired up correctly. Thankfully I don't have to take it out to fix it, I just have to put a cover on it and button it up. The third diagnostic tool, and the one that I honestly use this more than anything else, is a digital multimeter. This one is my one I keep around the house. It has a few more features, but it's not quite as fast as some of my other ones. It takes a little more doing. But I can test hot to neutral and see that I have 122.7 volts. That's nominal, we like that. I can test hot to ground, get roughly the same result. Neutral to ground, no volts, tells me that my outlet is feeding power correctly. If for some reason devices weren't operating up to snuff, act a little light or something, it could be that I'm not getting quite enough power, which could be a loose connection, could be any number of things, and this is the tool that tells me exactly what of those it is. It has some other features that, as I show you some other electrical stuff in this series, I will go through, but that's the one that we use more than anything else. So, catch you next week.